The practice owner has exchanged their time for money. That's what I did for years. I exchanged my time for money. It was in the form of chiropractic adjustments. It was in the form of treatment planning, but I was capped. I could only adjust so many people a day. My record, 133, but that's what I was doing. I was exchanging my skill set. And as I moved to leader, I realized that I could actually build more impact. I could see more patients if the team was helping me see them. So I brought on a case manager to help me actually elevate the volume of new patients that we could see in the practice. I then brought on an associate doctor and began grooming my integrator to become my operator with the title of office manager.